Hi guys, I'm Christine Castellano and I am going to be demonstrating blade and shade, which means microblading and combination shading brow. We're going to be doing brow mapping first. And then she's going to see it. She's going to have her little mirror and she's going to see what we're doing before we do anything permanent. I'm using a Jen Boyd blade. Actually, it's just a configuration of needles. It's not a blade per se. And we're just doing some microblading. I microblade a foundation. Then I shade, and the shading is just the finishing touches. And the pigments that I'm using today are, it's LI Pigments, and it's the Loaded line.